the F-22 Raptor, the most advanced stealth fighter ever built.
Powered by twin F-119 engines, it launches with explosive afterburner thrust. The Raptor reaches incredible speeds, hymned as fame, faster than Mach 2.
Inside the cockpit, technology gives pilots unmatched situational awareness.
With internal weapon storage, it stays invisible to radar while armed.
Extreme agility lets the F-22 outturn and outmaneuver any opponent.
It delivers precision strikes with advanced air-to-air missiles.
Leading missions around the world with absolute air superiority. Every mission ends with power, control, and
The
perfection.
king of the skies, the F-22 Raptor. Subscribe for more aviation power.